Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to reset all the settings on your Android phone without losing any of your data like photos, videos, or app. So let's begin. First, open your settings application and then go to General Management by scrolling all the way down and open it. Now here you need to again scroll a bit down and there you'll get the option of reset. Go ahead and tap on that. And here if you scroll down again, you'll get the option of reset all settings. Again, tap on that and this will reset only your settings, not your security settings, language settings, account, personal data like photos, videos, apps, files, or settings for downloaded apps. It's just the settings themselves that will reset to their factory defaults. So tap on reset all settings from the bottom and then enter your current PIN of your Android device and confirm it. And you'll see a message saying all settings will be reset to their factory default and your phone will restart to apply the new settings. And you've successfully reset the settings on your Samsung or Android phone. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.